Time is only one commodity that can never get back. If today is gone, you can never get it back. If this moment is gone, it's just gone. It's over from your life. You can't get back. So you can regain your money, you can re earn your money, but you can't buy your time. It is not soul. It's just for once. You got it, you use it, get the result. You got it, you lost it, be a failure. Which one to do choice? You are going to be successful, right? Then focus on time. Utilize it. Time is flying. Get it, use it. Otherwise, it will just fly away. It doesn't matter. You are using it or you are wasting it, it won't stay with you. It just going away.